Thank you.
My pleasure. Today I'm learning how to work at Chick-Fil-A.
Welcome to Chick-Fil-A, the kid favorite spot. I'm learning how to serve and I like it a lot. The waffle fries are legendary, but here's the best part. It's the special way they speak that comes from the heart. When you say thank you and give it your best, they say my pleasure and take care of the rest.
Eat more chicken! Hey, I'm Kid Intern.
Hey, I'm Doug from Chick-fil-A. Got a name tag here for you.
Curious kids ask good questions. Curious kids ask good questions.
Why do you say my pleasure?
My pleasure came from the original founder. He was at a hotel one time and he felt like when he was being served by the people that were at the hotel, he understood that it was their pleasure to serve him. It wasn't just their job. So he made that a foundation of what Chick-fil-A says when people say thank you.
Can you count how many times we say my pleasure in this video? I'll give a shout out in my next video, whoever gets the correct answer. Comment at the end of the video.
You know, let's take a tour of the kitchen, a part of the store that a lot of people don't get to see. This is where the magic happens.
How do you make the ice so good?
It's magic. We have everybody's favorite, dishes. You want to do some dishes? Bruh.
Sure.
It's already working. You're lucky.
I wonder if I can find the secret recipe.
You ready to get to work?
Yep.
All right, let's go sweep some floors. Don't forget that down under there.
Yes, sir. I did it.
You did it?
Yep.
Well, thank you.
My pleasure. How many Chick-fil-A sauces do you think I can guess correctly? Here's my cow blindfold. Round one. The saucy challenge. Oh, that's spicy. Oh no, it's like burning my eyes almost too. My eyes are tearing. Zesty? No, I don't think so. Wait, actually?
Yep.
Yay! Why do so many teenagers pick this as their first job?
Oh, I think a lot of teenagers pick Chick-fil-A for their first jobs because they're familiar with Chick-fil-A. We are one of the companies that does hire at a younger age, so it gives them opportunities to really start their career or a work experience with a place that they enjoy to eat as well. So the sandwiches all start here with the fillets, and they dip them into the milk wash and the coater, and they coat them real good. And then they come over here and they put them in the fryer. The lid goes down. It's a pressure fryer to keep them nice and moist. Oh, look at those, buddy. So why don't you go wipe that table down?
Okay.
Did you get that done?
Yep.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Orders come in through this system here. We've got a screen that shows when the cars pull up, so the kitchen knows to get ready to make a sandwich. And then they come in on these screens, and then each individual sandwich is made to order. So that way, if someone has some special need, some special dietary need or allergy or something like that, we can take off what they don't need, or we can put on what they want. If it's extra, each individual order gets their own special treatment. So here's a sandwich, a grilled club with pepper jack cheese. 2 pieces of lettuce, 2 tomatoes, the grilled filet, the cheese, and the most important part,
The bacon.
the bacon. Yeah!
Is that a bacon dance?
Yep.
Oh, that looks good.
And then it gets tucked away in this nice little sheet. Made special just for you.
The Saucy Challenge. Is it like the ranch one?
Yep. This would be hard.
Polynesian?
Nope.
Wait. Oh, spicy again. Woo! Where's my Chick-Fil-A lemonade? What kind of questions do you ask people at a job interview?
Good question. We often ask them why they chose to apply at Chick-fil-A. We ask them questions like, have they experienced difficult situations and how do they overcome those situations? We ask them if they like to learn by reading or by doing, or by being shown how to do it and then by doing. So just trying to getting a feel for how how comfortable they are with the learning experience of something new. Now it's time to empty the trash. Take care of that for me, will you?
Yes.
Thank you. I said thank you.
Oh, my pleasure.
You wanted to see the two coldest places in the entire store?
Yeah.
This is our walk-in cooler. Was that cold?
Super.
You haven't seen anything yet.
Oh, colder. Wow. You're blowing the stuff around. Oh, it's so hot out here now.
Time to clean the restroom.
Yay!
Here's some window cleaner, paper towels. Thank you.
My pleasure. What skills do you need to work here?
Skills that you would need to work be to have an open mind, to be ready to learn and willing to take instruction. All the other skills are things that we will teach you.
The Saucy Challenge. Buffalo? Ranch?
No.
Guess that one.
No, that's Polynesian. Oh, spicy! Why is it spicy again?
It's not.
Or it's just so spicy from earlier and just activating it. It's so spicy though. Why are your team members so friendly?
Team members are trained in what the expectations are for greeting our guests and treating our guests like this is our home and we're inviting them into our home. And so we try to get them to what we call first mile service, which is the expectation, but also the second mile, which is taken from scripture, where if a man asks you to walk 1 mile with him and carry his belongings, that you go a second mile on your own. And that's what we really try to instill in their lives, is the fact that we want them to be kind and friendly and be treated the way that they wanted to be treated. A little more ice? No more ice, okay. It's diet lemonade? All right, diet lemonade right here.
Should I put this?
Pull it.
Oh.
Yep. And then just release. There we go.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
What's the most popular menu item?
The number one selling item at Chick-fil-A is the waffle fries. But then the Chick-fil-A sandwich obviously is right there, pretty close second. Guests want to place their order, they tell you what they want, and it's all right there. Kind of like a big iPad. Regular sandwich, what's your side item? Fries, and then it takes you to what's your drink. We have a screen where it asks you who the name of the guest is. We put that in there. If they're going to be eating here, we tell them to take that and set that at their table. That way we can find them later. And then we ask them if they're a Chick-fil-A member, they want to scan their app, and they scan their app right on the scanner. They will earn points and can get free food.
The Saucy Challenge. Now that's Polynesian.
Yep.
I need my lemonade. Mmm, delicious. My favorite one. The Chick-Fil-A sauce. What skills do you learn by working at Chick-Fil-A?
The skills that we try to teach while we're working are life skills, which will help you deal with things that come up, like you asked earlier about rude customers, being able to overcome that and understand that it's not about me, it's about them and what they're going through. So we teach you how to handle those types of situations and just helping you get to be a better person when you leave here than when you first came in.
Why is Chick-fil-A closed on Sunday?
Again, the founder, that was one of the things that he really enjoyed, making sure that the people that he worked with, or the people that worked for him or worked with him, had a day where they could just rest and be a part of family experiences. And they wanted to involve the church aspect of their life, and it was very important to him, his walk with God, and so he wanted to make sure that they had that opportunity. All right, you've done a really good job. I think you've earned a special treat. Follow me.
Hey there, what's your job? Tell me what you do. I'm the Kid Intern, here to learn from you. Being heroes, builders, artists too. Asking questions and learning what they do. Everyday adventure, discovering who.
There you are, Kid Intern.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
I'm the Kid Intern, curious and bright. Learning about careers, exploring day and night. Yeah. Meeting heroes.
Thank you for teaching me how to work at Chick-fil-A.
Well, it's my pleasure.
Learning what they do. Everyday adventure, discovering who I'll be. I'm the Kid Intern, curious and bright. Learning about careers, exploring day and night.